Thinking about moving from a 5-bedroom house? Let's break down what to expect so you can plan with confidence. Moving a larger home usually costs more because there are more belongings, more furniture to handle, and often more rooms to pack and move. The price can vary based on a few key things: how far you're moving, how much stuff you have, and whether you want professional packing and loading services. For a local move, where you're staying within the same general area, movers usually charge by the hour. For a 5-bedroom house, that can mean a larger crew and more time, so local moves might range from a few $1,000s depending on how much needs to be moved. For long-distance moves, pricing works differently. Movers look at the total weight of your shipment and the distance traveled. The cost can range higher because your belongings are traveling farther and may involve more coordination and fuel. You can also choose add-on services like packing, storage, or specialty handling for large items like pianos or gym equipment. These can make your move easier, but they do affect the final cost. The best way to get accurate pricing is to compare quotes from licensed, reputable movers. And that's where we can help. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contact@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.